Hi Damon, this screencast is to show how we will get call data made from a landing page of the website to Google Adwords. In Invoca, we have created a campaign named Invoca Integration Test in the outbound affiliate marketing. Let me just show you the landing page we have used in this campaign. We have used landing.thecreditpros.com/tcp online phone offer landing page in this campaign. We have also created a Google call extension number which can be seen in direct promo numbers. So this is the Google call extension number which has to be placed in call extensions tab in Google AdWords campaign. Let me take you through the web integration settings. So in this field, you will need to enter the default phone number present on your website. So this is the default phone number. So you will just need to copy this number and paste the number over here and then click on update. After clicking on update, please click get code. This is the code snippet which should be present on the landing page. In our case, we are using Google Tag Manager to push this code on the landing page. As you can see, the ID 28113 is same as this ID 28113. Click on integration test. Integration test tells us whether the code has been successfully installed on the website or not. So there are two ways to check whether successful integration has been done or not. The first way is to click on open test. Right now the open test is giving us an error called click URLs are not configured on this account. We have reached out to Invoca support regarding this issue and they will follow up on this issue very soon. They have also stated that this issue was from their end. The second option is to manually check whether web integration has been successfully done or not. So you will just need to go to your landing page and append a parameter called ppcpn. Copy this parameter, paste over here, then click enter. If the default phone number changes to the new phone number which is present in ppcpn, then the web integration code is successfully installed on the landing page. The most important part is to configure the ring pools. We have created a ring pool named integration test. Let me just edit this ring pool. Click on outbound landing page. Then click on custom plus search keywords. Give your ring pool an appropriate name. Select the number session lifetime from this drop down. Make sure you enter an appropriate pool size so that Invoca can handle the unique attribution request made to it. If it is a small number, Invoca overflow condition is met and the calls made to an overflow number is not tracked by Invoca. Click on next. You can provide up to 10 parameters in a ring pool, but the second parameter has to be GA client ID, GA underscore client underscore ID of the type URL. Earlier, we were using GA client ID parameter of the type cookie and we had created a first party cookie on the website. As you can see over here, we have created GA client ID cookie, but Invoca was unable to access this cookie value. Even this default phone number was not replaced by Invoca's ring pool number. We applied a workaround here. We changed the type to URL for the parameter G underscore client underscore ID. And we also created a tag in Google Tag Manager. This tag accesses the value of GA client ID and appends this value in front of GA client ID parameter in the URL. Let me give you an example. So whenever a user comes to a landing page having GCL ID as a parameter in the URL, so GA client ID automatically gets appended to the URL. Click on Save and Next. In the Get Link tab, you will get the ring pool link which should be present in the Adwords ad. In Adwords, we have created a demo campaign named Test Invoca Integration. In this campaign, let me show you the ad that we have created. In this ad, you will see the landing page, which is same landing page which is used in Invoca integration test campaign in Invoca. In the tracking template of the ad, you will need to paste the ring pool link provided in the ring pool with some adjustments. Copy this URL or link in a text editor. You will need to replace this part of the link by LP URL. Here LP URL means landing page URL. This part of the ad will dynamically replace over here. Please be sure that you are not adding ampersand G underscore client underscore ID equal to in the tracking template of your AdWords ad, as this parameter is passed using a tag from Google Tag Manager. If you add this parameter in the tracking template, multiple GA client ID parameters will be created in the URL and Invoca will not be able to capture the value of this parameter correctly. Add keyword over here, which is a value track parameter used to track keywords. Copy this URL and paste this URL in the tracking template and then click save. Copy this Google call extension number which you have created in the campaign in Invoca and create a call extension in AdWords by clicking on add extension, then clicking on this button. We made this ad live yesterday, and after seeing an ad, we clicked on that ad and got a ring pool number and we called that number. So that call got recorded in the transactions reports. I've applied the filter of Invoca integration test campaign over here in the transactions report. There were 4 calls made by us all. So these are the records present in the transaction report. We were able to capture GA client ID for this call using the custom webhook which is present in Invoca. We are able to send this data to Google Analytics. Let us see the custom webhook. So push call data to Google Analytics is the webhook created in Invoca. it sends an event to Google Analytics of category offline. The event action is inbound call. The event label is advertiser's campaign name and the event value is duration. So let us see that event in Google Analytics. So I am in TCP master view in the creditpros.com property. After clicking on behavior and then clicking on events and then top events, you can see offline event category, which is same as of here. After clicking on this category, we get event action as inbound call and event value as 59, which is the total time the call lasted. After clicking on event action, we get the name of the invoker campaign, which is invoker integration test. We have also created a goal in Google Analytics. So whenever a call is made from a website, a goal is recorded in all calls on website goal. So you can see over here, one conversion is recorded in this goal. We have also imported this goal into Google Adwords. In conversion actions, you can see a conversion named all calls on website TCP master. So this is the goal present in Google Analytics. We have imported this goal in Adwords. So here you can see one conversion has got recorded. So that shows that we have got the call data made from the landing page of the website to Google Adwords. Thank you.